Hi lovelies, I hope you all are well. Today I want to take you through a simple recipe on how I prepared my bread at home. Stay tuned and follow me through the process.
Sugar woman, you shouldn't have a crank. What is not?
But the way you made me found the way we said we saw what I think you do. David, brother. Brother, show who you will be. When you will. And I won't be big. So me say so. So we do Fabiana. The big woman and one. This is Olonka 1 cup.
One cup and
Okay, so lovelies, we are now back home. All those videos that you saw from the beginning happened at the machine shop where they mix the bread ingredients, or where they mix those ingredients together. Yes. So now here we are back home, and that is my hobby, helping me with what? With the kneading. Actually, I am not good at all with the kneading. That is why mostly I do not prepare any recipe on bread. But honestly, something happened today. I went out to buy a loaf of bread, and honestly, the price was too high for me. So I said to myself, I am into baking. I do bake pastries and stuff. So I have some ingredients at home. I have margarine, I have my nutmeg, I have my yeast, and I also have one or two things. So why don't I just take all these ingredients to the milling? There. So I got my ingredients. Then I went to where they mix these things together, or they do the bread. And I got someone to help me with the mixing and the rolling. Then I paid some small amounts, 5 Ghana cedis in my local currency, for the mixing. Then I brought it home. So when I came to, it was another wahala. Just as I said, I do not know how to knead the bread into this shape. So with the help of my husband, we're able to what? Knead the bread so nicely. So this is what you are seeing here. Actually, his mother was into bread making, so he really learnt it from them. Yes, or from her. So that is what you are seeing. So now we are home kneading our bread. We use about two methods here. We roll some into round shape, and others too. We made it into loaves. And what we are going to do after baking of this bread is to store them in the freezer. Honestly, bread is becoming too expensive nowadays. So I just spent some little money to get all these loaves of bread done. And I was able to save a lot. Honestly, those people into bread business, you are really making money. Hey, I envy you people. Hey, you are doing so well. Keep it up. If you want to go into any business and you have no idea of what type of business to go through, and you feel like maybe you have the funds that you can get the machineries for bread making, my dear, go into it too. It's a very lucrative business. After baking this bread, and I realized that, wow, people are really making money. If you do not even know how to mix the ingredients, then get the ingredients, go to where they mix the ingredients together. A machine is there to do all those things for you. If you are close to any of those machine, go to them, they will mix the ingredients for you. You come back home, you do what? You roll it nicely, you bake, and the business has started. Just look at it after rolling and after kneading. Look at it too. So we are done this way. We will allow it to rise. We'll give ourselves like from 6 to 8 hours so that the bread will rise very well. So do not worry. I will leave all the ingredients as well as the measurements in the description box. So if you are close by where they do bread, you can also prepare one at home. This is after the bread has risen. It is now ready to be baked. You see that the size has doubled. Yes, so now it is ready. And I think I did not add much yeast in, so it took it time to rise. Yes, it's so nice. It's so beautiful. My dear, If you are watching me and you think you can get access to any bread making machine close to you, just get your ingredients and go there. They will mix everything together nicely for you. You come back home, you bake, then you store it in the freezer. All that you need to do, you see now here, the bread is ready. Few minutes, the bread is ready. You see, isn't that beautiful? It's not beautiful. Ah, 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 ah. See the design on top of the bread. Ah, and the taste is so superb because I know what the ingredients I added. I know the ingredients that I added, so it tastes so beautiful, it tastes so good. Ah, so now you just brought it from the oven. We will allow it to cool for some time. Then we package them in our rubber. Then we store it in the freezer. So whenever you want to have your breakfast or you need bread, you just take one from the freezer. You keep it for some time. Then there. So when you bring it out from the freezer, you give it some time. You realize that it will come back to its freshness again. See, this is afterwards packaging them. So after this, you're just going to keep it in the freezer. And you can save a lot of money with this. So this is after I had stored them in the freezer. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching till this time. Bye.